Rule chains are a set of rules combined together in sequence where every rule produces a fact that is both an output of the rule chain and can be consumed in rules further down the chain. Rule chains can be ran both forward chaining and backward chaining. Forward chaining meaning passing in the data and running the rules that use that data, and backward chaining meaning pick an answer that I want and only run the rules that pertain to that answer. Now, rule chains were created in the 5.0 versions of Decision, so you'll need to be running an instance of that or higher to be able to utilize them. When you're in the studio, you can create a rule by clicking on Create Rule and selecting Rule Chain from the list of rules available. After giving it a name, you'll be taken into a flow with no start or end steps, and it has a limited number of steps available in the Steps toolbox. All the items you need to create a rule chain are available under the Rule Chaining category. Simply drag and drop the items from the Steps toolbox into your rule chain and select the Properties panel to configure them. Inputs allow you to define inputs needed to be used within the rules. You can add one or more inputs into each input step. Business knowledge and knowledge source steps provide you a way to add constants into these flows. You're also able to use many different types of rules within your rule chains. These include statement rules, truth tables, matrix rules, and sequential rules. You can edit these rules by dragging the step into your rule chain flow and clicking Edit under the rule in the Properties panel. Typical if-then statement rules are available to you in 3 different ways. Statement rules return data and allow you to define any number of outputs to be utilized within your rule chain. True-false rules are the only type of rules that will automatically have defined output paths, one for true and one for false. Finally, should continue steps are rules that tell the rule chain to continue only when it evaluates true. For more help with rule chains, feel free to reach out to support@decisions.com.